Welcome to the video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K. Now this is a full-frame cinema camera, taking all the features pretty much from the Pocket 6K Pro, but adding a new 6K large format sensor. Now this video is going to be pretty short because I just want to unbox this thing and don't want to go over all the specs. It's an awesome camera, it has a ton of capabilities, but all you really need to know is what's in this box for this video. So we're gonna keep it pretty concise. And at the end of this video, after I unbox this, I'm gonna unbox one of the SD cards, well not SD cards, the CF Express Type B cards that I'm gonna recommend with this camera. Well, at least for now. All right, let's get right into it. First off, we can just open up this plastic, just like this, here we go. Now, if you're wondering where to buy this thing, you can buy it on Amazon or B&H. Personally, I bought this one on B&H because it was on sale. But if it's not on sale, you can buy it from wherever you want. But B&H is a great place to get stuff like this. All right, here we got the box. There's a bunch of specs and cool stuff about it. But there's lots of other videos on that. So I'll link some below, and I'll make some future videos, maybe tutorials or just the reviews and stuff like that. But let's get this thing unboxed. All right, on the inside, we have DaVinci Resolve Studio license, so you can do up to 2 computers, and I've gotten these with my other Blackmagic cameras. I'm using one right now to film this video. This is awesome. I highly recommend using DaVinci Resolve Studio, and you can for free right here. We get some stickers, which is always nice to have. Your license. Inside we got universal power connectors for the included power brick for any country. Then we have our Sony battery right here, which is bigger than the Canon LPE6 batteries in the older pockets. We have our wall connector. We have our camera strap, which is super nice, and I've had these with the other pockets and I love them. And then we have a little piece of foam. Inside we have, looks like a USB mini charger for that battery, and it's one of these sleds. You can pop this sled off, probably. I'm not going to. Looks like you might be able to pop it off and put it on something else. I would just keep it like this. And then we have, looks like a USB-C to, no, USB, yeah, mini USB to USB to charge that thing. That's it for that. And then we have the Pocket Cinema camera itself. There we go. Man, this thing is gonna be awesome. Now this is an L mount, so we can use this with any L mount lenses, and you can also get an adapter, which I actually have. Might as well unbox that as well. So nice big L mount. A little couple pieces of dust on the sensor, but we can just wipe that off later with a sensor cleaning kit. Man, it looks good. It's got the flip out display like this, so we can flip it out and do whatever we want. It's gonna be awesome. And it looks like there's a little piece of protective material in there. So there we go, the Pocket 6K and all the accessories. What's that? Oh, the springs inside the battery door. All right, so that's what it comes with as far as the camera is concerned. Now let's open just a couple accessories to just get this thing working. Right here, I've got a couple Extreme Pro CF Express Type B cards. This camera does not have SD card slots. It's just these. These are SanDisk. You can also pick these up from Angelbird and Lexar Pro Grade. But the SanDisk ones I've been super happy with so far from every other product that I've gotten from SanDisk. So these are what I got. I got two 512 gigs. And then this is the adapter real fast from Sigma. I'll just open this up. Hopefully this works. This is just the one I saw in B&H that comes with Sigma, and I have a ton of Sigma lenses, so this is what I bought. We got manuals and stuff like that. Let's pop this open. Here's the adapter itself. This is from the L mount to EF. There we go. And it's got a little tripod mount right there. So you just put this on the Pocket 6K, pull off the lens cap, pop on our adapter, and it fits. And this is for Canon. That should work just fine. I don't have an EF lens right next to me at the moment, but there you go. That's for EF if you already have EF cameras. There's an Allen key as well in this little box for the Sigma adapter. So that's, I think, gonna be pretty much it for this video. I'll have everything linked below. This is just a short, quick unboxing. Basically what comes with the camera. We got the strap, the battery, the chargers, DaVinci Resolve, and the camera itself. What accessories to get, so those CF Express Type B cards, and then this little Sigma adapter. Now I can't recommend specifically the Sigma adapter yet because I haven't tested it, but this is the one, and it does fit on the thing, and I saw some reviews from people who bought it with this camera. I think that's gonna be pretty much it. There's other accessories you can buy as well, like the EVF and the battery grip. But yeah, this is the large format Blackmagic, and it comes with some awesome stuff, and I can't wait to test this thing out. The sensor is also available in the Pixis if you want a more cinema style body. But yeah, that's gonna be about it. There'll be other videos on the channel about features and specs, and you can find other videos on YouTube about it. All right, that's it, but before we go, I wanna tell you about our sponsor, Motion Array. If you're a content creator like myself and wanna level up your videos, check out Motion Array. With pre-made templates, transitions, audio effects, and even plugins, Motion Array is the place to go. They even have music, sound effects, and footage as well. They've basically got everything you need to make your videos look better. To get $50 off your annual subscription, check out the link below. Thank you to Motion Array for sponsoring the channel, and back to the video. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. If you want to watch another video or pick up this camera for yourself, check out the links in the description below. That's gonna be about it, and I'll see you in the next video.